Ground beef, carne molida. That is 5 pounds. Okay. All in here. Yeah. Let it brown. Boil the hot water with oil so that way we can throw fettuccine in it. And that way it's not all going to be sticky. But yeah, for spaghetti. Texas toast, garlic bread. Thank you. Cayenne pepper, paprika. What's this one? Italian seasoning. But not least, your turmeric. Today is February 9th, 2026. I'm gonna let it simmer it up and wait till it's all cooked up, and then we'll drain that oil, that fatty oil. Still boiling, we're gonna throw in our fettuccine. Here we are. That oily boil water with the noodle in it. We're just gonna wait till it's cooked up. And here's our meat. Gotta give it a good stir. Make sure everything is going to be brown up before we drain that fatty oil. But it's collecting all the good seasoning into the meat. Some are still red. The garlic bread in here and ready to bake. Right. There you go. Adding our pasta sauce in. Yay! Looking good there. It's getting ready. Check. Ooh-wee. Fettuccine spaghetti. Already. Garlic bread. Here, we're gonna try this.
She sounds like a lady too.
Until all create your experience kebab. Pop stickers.
Boys, come try this. Ari wants you guys to try this.
Come try it, son. So